Welcome to Trade with EMA channel. Today we are going to tell about the UPL Limited. Okay, as we analyzed before. Okay, as our target has been achieved that it will go up to 660 in last video of my UPL. You can see in my channel. Okay, you can see now if the one day candle has been broken 660 rupees resistance. You can see 660 rupees resistance here. This resistance has been broken, and if the daily candle closed above these levels 660 above only, then the stock have chance to go up to here. Next resistance is 713. Stock can go up to 713 in coming days. Okay, up to 713 in coming days if the volume continues like this. Today volume has been increased, you can see, and MACD crossover also given already here, and the RSI is rising. Okay, and the parabolic SAR is formed below uptrend only. Okay, let's go to the weekly chart. In weekly chart you can see there is a resistance at 816. Next target is 816, guys. The stock can go up to 816 in coming weeks. You can see here EMA crossover also given, and in the weekly chart also there is a resistance at 642 was been broken. You can see the brown color line is the resistance. 642 has been broken, and this is the week starting now only. You can see this candle forming above the resistance. Okay, and the parabolic SAR also came down. This means uptrend only. Okay, and here the MACD also crossover like this gone down and took a cut. You can see like this and going up. Uptrend only. Here RSI is rising. You can see 66, and volume also increasing as the week is started just now only. In monthly chart you can see volume is increasing, RSI rising, and MACD crossover already given, and histogram is also up. And from here you can expect a change in the stock. Okay, you can see here the stock, the price is at here. Also monthly resistance is there at 640, and this also broken now. You can see the candle is forming above that, and in coming months it can go up to 815 as here is the resistance. Okay, stock can travel up to 815 if volume continues up. Okay, buyers show their interest, then it will definitely go. Okay, here you can expect, you can see here resistance are broken in 15 minutes, and the stock is forming higher highs. Okay, volume has been increased rapidly. Okay, 673 is high here, that is 52 week high, so be careful. Chances are there the stock may go up, so cross check yourself and take the decision whether to trade or not. As the EMA is crossover already given here, I already told. Okay, stock can reach up to 713 in coming days or coming months. Okay, thanks for watching.